Good morning. I'm First Alert meteorologist Michael Audavino here with CBS News Texas, tracking your first winter storm of 2026. Let's dive right into it. Right now across North Texas, we're seeing a mixture of rain, snow, sleet, as well as some pockets of freezing rain out to our southeast. Let's zoom in closer to the Metroplex. Denton County and Collin County seeing some heavier bands of snow right now, quickly accumulating onto those roadways. Zooming in a little bit closer along 35 near Aubrey, Sanger, Denton, Oak Point this morning, continuing to see some heavier bands of snow pushing through. And even as we zoom out, notice we're seeing some wintry mix right now across North Texas. We get a little bit of a break, I think, by midday, and then we start to see round two building in, mainly right now across West Texas. This makes its way east and will really bring us another round of some heavier sleet as we move throughout the second half of the day. As we take a look outside this morning into Denton, continuing to see some snow. We're seeing sleet covered roadways in East Fort Worth. You're not going to have much traction if you try to get on those roadways. Into Arlington, we are continuing to see sleet onto those roadways as well, which will make travel very hazardous if you're heading out. Notice on our satellite and radar, let's give you the last 3 hours. Notice we've seen widespread wintry mix across our area. Some locations have seen more sleet than others. Into Tarrant County this morning, notice along 35, we're continuing to see some areas of snow developing right now into areas like Saginaw, Lake Worth, White Settlement, seeing some light to even moderate snow for some of your area. And even as we move across Dallas County, getting a little bit of a break in from all the action that we've been seeing. Roads do look a little bit better right now in downtown Dallas, and we're continuing to see drier conditions there. Rockwall County at the moment, continuing to see drier conditions as well. Collin County, not so much. Looks like a complete changeover to snow. Cities like Melissa, McKinney, even into Princeton, Blue Ridge, and Prosper, and into Frisco, continuing to see some heavier bands of snow, and even into Denton County right now. Aubrey, Oak Point, and even downtown Denton, continuing to see that widespread snow. As we look up to our north in areas near Sherman, Bonham, even into Bells, Liberty, some of our Red River counties into Grayson County, continuing to see widespread snow. And out to our southeast, areas like Ellis County and Waxahachie, Corsicana, seeing a mixture of sleet and even some freezing rain out to our southeast. And this is what we're continuing to see as we move throughout this morning. All of this will push out of our area. Quick look at those road conditions. The pink indicating icy conditions across most locations, to even some snowier roads well up to our north and west. Please don't travel this morning, and if you must, take it very slow. Lauren, what are you seeing?
Well, Michael, the roads are not looking good, first of all. And second of all, things got to the freezing line earlier this morning around 5 a.m. And guess what? It's going to be around 80 consecutive hours of temperatures either below freezing or at that freezing line. So we're staying this cold until we move into Tuesday. That's right. It's going to be a while. So make sure that you're taking precautions and you're bundling up the kiddos as they head out the door if they want to play outside, because it is very cold and temperatures are only going to get colder. 22 degrees is the feels like temperature into the DFW area right now. But if you look all the way up to the north, places like Bismarck, getting that Arctic air, it's negative 25 degrees. That's what it feels like outside. So temperatures are going to continue to be dangerously cold as we head out the door and get outside, especially as we move into the evening hours tonight. We could be feeling more like negative 12 degrees as we head into tomorrow morning. Let's look at the temperature right now, 21 as we look outside of Fort Worth, 30 degrees into Waxahachie, 26 Greenville, and a place like Gainesville at 18. Now the feels like temperature, thanks to the winds coming out from the north, gusting anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour, making it feel more like the teens and the single digits. That'll be in the forecast as we move into the evening hours tonight. Extremely cold, and that's exactly why the National Weather Service has issued an extreme cold warning. Wind chill values to 0 or even negative 12 will be possible here across North Texas tonight through around lunchtime into Monday. It'll be dangerously cold outside once again tomorrow morning and especially into our Monday morning. Tuesday morning, it'll feel like 0 degrees. Then temperatures will climb as we move into the rest of this week. Now, it'll be so cold that you want to make sure you're bundling up. And if you don't, hypothermia could be possible within a matter of 30 minutes tomorrow morning and into Monday morning. If you're feeling confused, shivering, if you have a hard time speaking, or if you feel sleepy or stiff muscles, all of these are symptoms of hypothermia. So it is very important that you make sure you're staying warm over the next several days. That's exactly why we've issued a first alert. And again, 80 consecutive hours are going to be likely either at or below freezing. It's not until Tuesday afternoon when we see those temperatures climb into the 40s. We'll be right back.